Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to go over three different types of percent equations. So I have three of them along the side here. 1, 2, and 3 that we are going to do today. But first, I want to review the equations right here. So the first one we have is equals percent times of. These are very helpful when it comes to these type of word problems because you can see the words right in the problems, and I'll show you how you can take the words and put them into the equation. Part equals percent times whole. So your part is basically a small portion of your whole. So your whole is basically the big thing that you're trying to extract a small piece from. And just a reminder, percents are always decimals in both of these equations. So let's take a look at this first one here. 18% of 230 is what number? Is what number? That tells me I need to figure out what the is going to be. I'm going to make that x, just a very generic variable, equals. My percent is 18%, but I need that to be a decimal, so 0.18 times of, which is right here, 230. So when I multiply all of these together, I'm going to get an x value of 41.4. So what this answer is saying is that 18% of 230 is 41.4. Let's look at this next one here. What percent is 40 of 500? So we have this big hole here, which is 500. That's my big piece here. And I have this little tiny piece that is 40. I want to know what percent that 40 is really representing of that 500. So the is going to be my 40 in this case. I don't know what my percent is going to be, so I'm going to leave it x times, make that a times. Oh, how did that line get there? Let's get rid of that. Times my whole, which is going to be that 500. So we can't just multiply here. We actually need to divide. So if we rewrite it, we can rewrite it as 40 equals 500 times x. So this is representing my percent. So all I have to do is divide both sides. So when I do that, I'm going to get an x value of 0.08. But I need a percent. So to make that a percent, I move it over twice and I get an answer of 8%. That is going to be my final answer. Oh, go away. There we go. 8%. Let's look at this last one right over here. 30% of what number is 190? Well, here's my is right there. 190 equals percent 0.30 of what number? That's what I need to find. So again, just like the equation above, we're going to divide both sides by that 0.30 now. So when we plug this in the calculator, you have to do 190 divided by 0.30. So when you do that, you're going to get an answer of 633.3 repeating. That's what that bar means. So really, we could say our answer is 633 and 1/3. 1/3 is the fraction form of 0.3 repeating.